What about earnings?
So we'll be getting earnings over about the next month. So I just wanted to do a quick, expectation of where we think where the market thinks Q3 earnings are going and what they've seen so far. So the top panel here is pre-announcements. So you announce something positive or negative, something that's very different from what you were expecting. And if we look at Q3 and you take a negative to positive ratio, we've had about 1.2 negative pre-announcements to positive. Now it's still early. We still have time to start building up more negative pre-announcements, and we probably will. Q2 22, so last quarter had 77 out of the 500 companies pre-announce and say, hey, we're not gonna hit our numbers. Right now it's at 53, so not terrible, but it is higher than the average. It's much higher than last year at 41. So the market isn't expecting great earnings. And if we look at the actual growth rate, so that's the bottom right for the S&P 500 broken out by sector, only expecting a 5% growth in earnings. That includes energy, which has over 120% growth expectation. If you get energy out of there, market's expecting about a 2% decline in the S&P 500 X energy. So the market's done a lot of work to expect earnings to come down. We're at PE ratios that are right in the 25-year average at 16.5. So market's not expecting great earnings, but the market's also not fully pricing in a recession as well. So I do think there is a little bit more downside from here. Once we can clear out inflation, like I said earlier on the charts, I do think we're going to start seeing things move higher.